Hi guys, so it's Oscar's 18th birthday tomorrow and I want to surprise him with a custom slime. So come on, let's do it. He's not going to be back for a couple of hours, so let's go get it done. It gets so dark really early now in the UK, but I need to go to the storage room, so let's go. Okay, so I found the right glue, guys, and I'm going to grab some clay too. Okay, I found the clay. Thank you so much, Mellow Slimes. Hit him up for good slime supplies. I want to show you guys how to do this, but normally Oscar films me, so I'm just going to try my best using the tripod. Got it! Oscar's favourite colour is purple, so obviously purple, and he loves cotton candy scent, so I think that's the best bet. Okay, let's do the purple and the cotton candy scent. So I just made this sprinkle mix to go with the cotton candy vibes, and I'm going to add some black moons to represent the logo, and I think he'll love it. Okay, I'm going to add the activator now. This video is going to be too long, so come back for part 2.
From a mission that we found to rhythm with the music don't stop for life. Literally sky. I want you to know.